Today I come up with Microsoft AI classroom workshops. These workshops are going to be held from January 25th to January 30th, 2021. And in that, we have to register and we have to attend the online session and we have to receive an online assessment and we have to take the online assessment. In that online assessment, we have to answer 30 MCQs. If you are passed and you get a certificate like that, this is the roadmap for that, how to get the certificate, participation certificate from that. And here these are the sessions dates here. All the 6 days is going to be conducted only one content. Whenever you are free, you have to attend the meeting on that. And here, and these are the session agenda here, and it is going to be on every day. On the 6 days, it is going to be started from 2 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. and these are the sessions they are going to be conduct on that, and these are the speakers. And about this, as totally 3 hour session, this is student can ask live questions on that during the session. This is limited seats, first come first serve basis. You have to register first and then only you get seat on that. And this is the assessment. In the assessment, after completion of this course, you get an assessment link from to your mail, and you have to attend that link in between some particular date, that is going to be January 25th to February 13th, 2021. And in that assessment you have to get more than 60% of marks. Then you get the certificate, participation certificate. If you are not cleared that certification, you get 3 attempts for that assessment. To clear that assessment, you get 3 attempts. Okay. And these are the resources in that. These are the resources, how to what content they are going to be, and what are the prerequisites for this account, and everything is going to be shared here. And this is the content which is mainly for AI 930 core certification. And if you click on the register for any session, if you click on this one, and you have to get a web page like this, and you have to fill all your details and just click on register. That's it, nothing else. That's it, students. Thank you very much. All the best. Enjoy learning. Please subscribe my channel, everyone. If you like this video, just like the video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.